Birds are singing in the trees, families laughing in the breeze. Water gone and land is dry, rainbow stretching across the sky.